As we approach the new year, we're tracking new laws set to go into effect.
The changes consist of worker protections to an increase in the minimum wage.
Washington's new paid sick leave law takes effect on January 1st and means that workers, including drivers for transportation companies, will have access to paid sick leave. It also protects them from discrimination or retaliation when they use it. Employers must provide at least 1 hour of paid sick leave for every 40 hours worked. Employees can use that time for things like personal or family illnesses, medical appointments, preventive care, or even emergencies like school or business closures. A new bill from Seattle City Council will implement more oversight on how app-based workers in Seattle are treated by companies, especially regarding deactivation. The law requires companies that use algorithms to manage app-based workers to have clear and reasonable policies for deactivating workers, and these policies must be related to safe and efficient operations. Also, starting January 1st, having a cover over your license plate will result in a fine. Those clear covers can reflect light, making it hard for law enforcement to read your plate. Violators have been receiving a written warning since June, with further penalties kicking in 2025. The new year will also bring changes to the medical industry. Hospitals in Washington will be prohibited from mandating overtime for certain healthcare workers. This applies to employees directly involved in patient care, including nurses, surgical technicians, and other clinical staff. The law applies to workers who are paid hourly or covered by a collective bargaining agreement. While most hospitals must comply by January, smaller hospitals and critical access facilities have until July 1st. The law allows for a few exceptions where overtime may still be required. Also, Washington's minimum wage will increase to $16.66 an hour. That's up 2.35% from 2024.
And for a closer look at all those new laws taking effect in 2025, we have a full breakdown for you on fox13seattle.com.